Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Before we begin, make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. You will need a new engine air filter, which you can purchase from an auto parts store, and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver, depending on your specific model. Let's get started with locating the housing. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. Most Nissan Rogue models have between 4 and 6 metal clips holding the top cover in place. Simply unclip these by pulling them outwards. Some models might have a few small screws instead, which you can easily remove with your screwdriver. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the top portion of the housing to expose the old filter inside. With the housing open, you can now see your old engine air filter. It's likely to be quite dirty, filled with leaves, dust, and other road grime. Gently lift the old filter straight out of its compartment. Take a moment to observe how it was seated, as the new one will go in the same way. Before inserting the new filter, use a clean cloth to wipe away any loose debris or dirt from inside the housing. This ensures a clean seal. Now, take your brand new engine air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely within the compartment, with no gaps around the edges. Once the new filter is properly seated, lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into place. Re-engage all the metal clips or retighten the screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure and you are all done.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.